Today, my all-time favourite lunchtime chicken wrap, so let's do it. You're going to want to preheat an oven to 180 degrees. While your oven is heating, take a baking tray, and the star of this wrap is some lovely southern fried chicken. You can make your own, but shop bought is just fine. And you want to lay your chicken pieces onto the baking tray, and then chuck your southern fried chicken into the oven, and then you want to bake for about 20 minutes. After about 15 minutes, once your chicken is nearly done, we're going to want to take some lovely baby gem lettuce, and you want to chop through your lettuce so that it's nice and coarse. And for a lovely acidic citrus kick, you're going to want a fresh lemon. So take a couple of nice slices of your lemon and squeeze the lemon juice into the lettuce. Use your hands to give that a really nice tossing up. Take your chicken out of the oven, and while they're still hot, lay your chicken pieces onto a chopping board, and then using a really sharp knife, you just want to chop those up into some nice chunky pieces. And we're going to want some tin foil. We're also going to want some lovely flour tortilla wraps. Pop a wrap onto the tin foil and then stick on a nice handful of your lemony lettuce. The next ingredient we need is some good old mayonnaise. Add a couple of teaspoons of your mayonnaise to the lettuce, and the last ingredient to go on is our chicken pieces. And there we have our southern fried chicken wrap. Really simple ingredients, but amazing flavour.